Before beginning, remove the shelf as it can become displaced during this install. Turn the capsule off, close the door, and carefully tip the unit onto its front to expose the bottom. Using a 3/32 Allen wrench, remove the bracket screw. With the lock area facing up, thread the screw through the hole and back into the capsule. Finish tightening the screw with the Allen wrench, then carefully tilt the capsule back down to its feet. Place your locking system through the bracket and close the lock through your securing cable or device. For added security and stability, a screw can be placed through the hole and into the surface it's sitting on. Be sure to use the appropriate securing method for your specific surface.